Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What are the best low-carb fruits to eat on a keto diet? Keto diet is a very low-carb, high-fat eating plan on which carb intake is often restricted to less than 20-50 grams per day. As such, many high-carb foods are considered off-limits on this diet, including certain types of grains, starchy vegetables, legumes, and fruits. However, some fruits are low in carbs and can fit into a well-rounded keto diet. Here are 9 nutritious keto-friendly fruits. Number 1. Star fruit. Also known as carambola, star fruit is a vibrant, star-shaped tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia. Although star fruit is not as common as many other types of fruit, it's a popular choice for those on a ketogenic diet due to its low carb content. Number 2. Cantaloupe. The cantaloupe is a type of muskmelon, closely related to other varieties of melon, such as watermelon and honeydew. Each serving of cantaloupe is relatively low in net carbs, with just 12.7 grams of carbs and 1.5 grams of fiber per cup, 156 grams. Just a single serving provides a hearty dose of folate, potassium, and vitamin K. Number 3. Peaches. Peaches are a type of stone fruit known for their fuzzy skin and sweet, juicy flesh. They're relatively low in net carbs, with 14.7 grams of carbs and 2.5 grams of fiber per cup. Furthermore, they're rich in other important micronutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and niacin. Number 4. Raspberries. In addition to being one of the healthiest berries, raspberries are a great addition to a low-carb or ketogenic diet. 1 cup of raspberries provides only 7 grams of net carbs, as this serving size has around 15 grams of carbs and 8 grams of fiber. What's more, raspberries are high in antioxidants that can decrease inflammation and reduce your risk of chronic disease. Number 5. Avocados. Though avocados are often referred to and used as a vegetable, they're biologically considered a fruit. Thanks to their high content of heart-healthy fats, avocados make a great addition to a ketogenic diet. They're also low in net carbs, with around 8.5 grams of carbs and nearly 7 grams of fiber in a 3.5-ounce serving. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelon is a flavorful and hydrating fruit that's easy to add to a ketogenic diet. Compared with other fruits, watermelon is relatively low in net carbs, with around 11.5 grams of carbs and 0.5 grams of fiber in a 1 cup, 152-gram serving. Number 7. Strawberries. Strawberries are nutritious, delicious, and brimming with health benefits. Low in carbs and high in fiber, strawberries can fit seamlessly into a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Strawberries are an excellent source of other micronutrients as well, including vitamin C, manganese, and folate. Number 8. Lemons. Lemons are a popular citrus fruit used to flavor drinks, meals, and desserts. Lemons can be a great addition to the ketogenic diet, with approximately 5.5 grams of carbs and 1.5 grams of dietary fiber in each fruit. They're especially rich in pectin, a type of fiber that can help stabilize blood sugar levels, fight inflammation, and slow the growth of cancer cells. Number 9. Tomatoes. Despite being used as a vegetable in many meals and recipes, tomatoes are botanically classified as a fruit. With a significantly lower carb count than many other fruits, tomatoes are easy to fit into a balanced ketogenic diet. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, Please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.